Hey everybody, Chris here. In this video, we're going to look at the Dogecoin price prediction for March of 2024. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. We had an epic live stream on Wednesday night going over 2 hours because of the excitement in Dogecoin, its price going up. We'll be covering that, looking at the charts in this video, as well as some of the indicators as well of what is happening in the months ahead for the overall crypto market and Dogecoin in particular. Let's go ahead, let's take a closer look. I'll show you what I'm looking at. So we'll start here looking at the Dogecoin chart on the 2 hour because we want to see where Dogecoin has been in the latter part of February, where Doge was hanging out down here around 8.5 cents before we began the breakout on Monday, the 26th of February, and then I was looking at 10-cent resistance, and then 11-cent resistance, and then 12-cent resistance, and Dogecoin has just blown right past those in the past couple days. Now we're up over 13 cents. And this is kind of, in the short term, this is price discovery for Dogecoin because we blasted past 12, which was some resistance from a while ago, and now Dogecoin continuing to go up. What do we have with Bitcoin? Just to compare, Bitcoin has been on a run, certainly, also since Monday. 51K, 55K, 58K, blasted up over 60, 61, now in the 62s. We may be settling down a little sideways here on Bitcoin. But what else is moving? SHIB. SHIB has finally woken up after a long slumber. And I've got 1450 right here now as new resistance for SHIB. We'll see how that trades. And then Bonk going crazy, up 30% here today with a big rock up. That's Bonk as well. And then we go back to what we'll be looking at is back here on February 20th, 21st. This is when I bought a bunch of Bonk right here, just below 12. This was like at 11.99. And I also bought Doge back then at 8.3 cents right there. So that was the time to accumulate. I was telling you guys that would be the time before the breakout. But now we want to look ahead to March. What do we have? Well, right now on the crypto bubbles, look what we've got. We've got Bonk 54% now, SHIB 24%, and Doge 30%. This is like an early run on meme coin season that we have going here. We had Pepe before. Pepe has kind of sold off a little bit, and Jasmine went on a run, sold off a little as well, but is just starting to turn around again. This is what we're looking for in March is a lot of money being rotated into now the memes, and the memes are starting to move. And these are the big memes too. We still have WIF and other ones, but Doge right now, a lot of attention, but also shorting. That's right. Over the past 4 hours, $3 million. $3 million in shorts. Who's shorting Dogecoin? I know a lot of people are. A lot of people used to expect Doge when it goes on a run, they'll short it down, and it's not. The shorts are getting squeezed. Doge is still moving. Crypto market cap, top 100. Here is Dogecoin at number 9. Now way above Avalanche after flipping over Avalanche with its eyes set on Cardano. Cardano's moving pretty well, 8% over the last 24 hours. But Dogecoin now up 33%. Over the last 24 hours. This is the long-awaited move that we were talking about on the live stream on Wednesday night. We will re-look at this and other things going on my next live stream, which is going to be Friday, but instead of 5 o'clock, it's going to be 10 o'clock. It's going to be a late night Friday night stream. Join then. We're going to have a lot of fun. It's going to be a little chill, though, a little late night stream. But for some of you, it might be morning time, because I know we've got some overseas joining in. So please check your clocks. Make sure that you're subscribed Make sure you got your notifications on to join on the live streams because we have a lot of fun there. Dogecoin March price prediction. Will Doge break out soon? Well, Watcher Guru made this article on February 26th. Will Doge break out soon? February 26th, where was Doge? It was still down here at 8.5 cents. They made their March price prediction too soon. That's right, it was too soon. Because they're talking about maybe 9 cents for Doge, and it was too soon. Let's look at this article here. This is from Analytics Insight, Dogecoin price prediction for March 2024. As the cryptocurrency market braces for potential turbulence in the coming month, all eyes turn to Dogecoin, the iconic meme coin that has captured the imagination of investors worldwide. Despite recent volatility, Doge has demonstrated resilience and garnered significant attention from both retail and institutional investors. Well, maybe more like whales, but not sure all the institutions are quite in on Doge yet. We will go through Dogecoin price prediction for March 2024, delve into the factors like market uncertainty, exploring recent trends, on-chain data, and expert analysis. The month of February presented Dogecoin with a mixed bag of challenges and opportunities. A notable decline in the broader cryptocurrency market on February 21st triggered a 10% drop in Doge's price, signaling volatility and uncertainty. And so what were we doing then? We were buying. That was the signal to buy. And like I said, I bought Bonk and I bought Doge on that day. And I told you guys we were talking about it. That was the dip. We're not going to see those prices again, guys. Amidst the downturn, strategic whale investors continue to accumulate Doge, hinting at a potential rebound in its price trajectory. On-chain data revealed a significant increase, cumulative balance of whale wallets, reflecting a bullish sentiment. That's what we saw. Also in February, Doge demonstrated strong performance compared to the previous period. So what we had from January to February, a lot of the metrics were showing February of increasing wallet activity, increasing accumulation, targeting this breakout that we're now seeing. As we look ahead to March, traders are preparing for potential volatility in the markets, driven by the looming Bitcoin halving, expectation of fresh liquidity inflows, and I'll insert here the ongoing movement of Bitcoin upwards because of those spot Bitcoin ETFs and the big institutional money flow, wealthy investors who are buying into the ETFs, even small portions of their overall portfolios now coming into crypto. We see that with Fidelity and, of course, BlackRock, wealthy investors getting into cryptocurrency, getting into Bitcoin. And now what we see is that excitement starting to open the doors for the altcoins and specifically Dogecoin. That's right. Anticipation of a surge in cryptocurrency values fueled optimism among investors, including Dogecoin enthusiasts who hope for a revival price trajectory. That's what we see going on. We've got the Bitcoin halving, market sentiment, institutional interest. As Dogecoin navigates the uncertainties of March, uncertainties right now, it's all looking good. Will there be a pullback? Yeah, we'll probably see some pullbacks somewhere along the way. But overall, right now, it's looking like slow and steady increases in the crypto market. And Doge has the potential of still continuing the current run. What was that price going to be? Well, how about Doge's growing adoption could trigger rally above 15 cents. So my price prediction is not only 15, but continuing to move up stronger, outpacing Bitcoin. That's right. Doge is now outpacing Bitcoin. If we look at the We were down here around 16 at the low, and look what has happened with Doge versus BTC. It's rocketed up above 20, came up above 21, little bit of pullback now just happening in that now because, yeah, well, I mean, here's Bitcoin 62.5 and Doge right at 13 cents. So that's just a little bit more over the past hour. Again, in the broader spectrum, this is the kind of move that we were waiting for Doge, and we have other memes making this move as well. So Dogecoin up above 16 to even 17 cents for March is not out of the question, while we watch what Bitcoin and even ETH starting to do. Yes, Ethereum starting to wake up as well. So the ETH BTC trading pair also is starting to move. Ethereum with the Denkun upgrade coming and anticipation for a spot Ethereum ETF could come later in May. It's all very exciting in crypto. This is an early start to the bull market. We've looked at the 4-year cycles. We'll explore them more during the live streams. We're early. This is still early. And even, just under 13 cents, we're dipping down to 12.9 now as I'm talking here. This could be buying opportunity. Will we backtrack and revisit 12 cents? We could. There could be a pullback here, and maybe you could still scoop up Dogecoin at $11.99. But the market sentiment is looking positive going forward. So that's a look ahead at March. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about March price prediction? And then we'll get into what happens April, May, and into the rest of the year. We still have X payments, late in the summer, possibly the fall, which could just catapult Dogecoin much, much higher. That is coming ahead. Give the video a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.